Hello everyone. Welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Horn. Invention Craig Golden International Mobile Health Life Cells. Today we will teaching Golden International Mobile Health Life Cells. The application knowledge target for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions is consist of 40 different actions. Total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions original education video courses. About brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Cells and Golden International Daily Actions. For participating to learn and obtain effect and so on, we already put on the following after the teaching video. Please everyone must watch and read carefully. Now we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class we give the desk action, hand action, leg action. Somebody asked how many quantity we need to do for each day. Good question. We give answer is 100 times. Shall we do more? No. You only can do 100 times enough. You cannot do more. The reason is after a few decades deeply research and back practice, we got the final conclusion is 100 times enough. Because if one action you do more, maybe will hurt your body inside some parts or some organs. That's what we don't want. We need help, right? Protect your health. So one day for that action, 100 times enough. Shall we can do less? Somebody also asked. Of course, especially for beginner, you're just enjoying. You need correct your action, adjust your action, repeat your action, so you can do less. However, when you get the profession, we still ask you to do 100 times in order to protect your health. Before we do the 100 times, we need to know a couple of things. Number one, the feet touch floor should lightly, cannot make any sound. Number two, the leg is raised, not kick, just raise. And not straight and close your center line. Cross your center line. Raise high, low, no big deal. How high you can raise your leg. But just cross and the feet should straight. See that. And cannot do that way. Okay, only that. You can raise high, little low. No big deal. High, low. But just keep the feet cannot do that. Yes. And keep your body upright. And avoid leaning forward or backward. The hand, open hand, and palm finger move to the top and open, and then middle close. Open. See this? Open, open, close, open, close. Yes. In the back, also in the center line. Back, also center line. Yes. And from the body side, as close as your leg side. Cannot do that way. Okay, just. And raising high overhead. Overhead. Yes. And also, we need to count. Use two kind of different language to count. In here, we choose the English and Hanyu, two kind of different language. Some people ask, why should we choose two kind of different language to count? Good question. Because we need to protect our trick and the long, far away broadcasts, pandemic, long disease, and so on, many diseases. So we need to choose two kind of different language to count. Somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak Hanyu. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose English and Spanish language, the two language, just the two language, different language is okay. And eyes look straight, smiling face and head sink. How can make the action correct? Okay, now everybody follow me to do the 100 times action for best action each day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 八九十 nine two three four five six seven eight nine ten 十二三四五六七八九十 Very good. Somebody also asked, the hand turn very difficult. Yes, for beginner, sometimes it is difficult, but you can do. Change step, right way. But you do, for example, start that way, and that way. But you also like short cross, do right way, and head think, make the correct. Because that's not difficult. It is easy way, you're smart. Easy way to reach that action. So, trust yourself. Absolutely, you can do that. Just need time, practice, and look the teacher, the correct video action, the video, correct action, and then you can change. And finally, you can do right correct actions. And do the action, you cannot make fast. You just slowly, one by one. Yes, if you fast, really cannot make it correct, So one by one, they raise your leg, not a kick, just raise. And down, no voice. And be careful, cannot do that way. Okay, only do that way. Yes. You're smart, of course. For that action, few days you can do correct. Trust me. Yes. And we do many students did good right way. Also is from beginner and finally do right. Everybody can do that. Learn correct knowledge. You must correct knowledge. You can discover. You protect your own health to become easy. At home, you can do Golden International Daily Actions every day. Protect your health. Far away bronchitis, lung disease, pandemic, various pandemic, and many diseases, and even cancer either. You really can enjoy your happy, wonderful life.